Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm super happy because I finally got my dream items in Royal High. So today I'm going to be showing guys how I got my dream items in Royal High and what did I trade for them. And one more thing I would like to say is guys, do not buy the summer fantasy heels if you're on level 75. I would recommend you to trade for them because I've seen people get these for like 30k and that's like 20k less the OG price, so I would recommend that. Okay, so now let's move on to the video and I'm going to tell you guys how I got them and what showing you guys how I got my dream items. I'm going to be showing you guys some bonus trades because yeah, I did them. Okay, so I traded the Winter Guardian Aura Antlers for the 1000 diamonds, the cherry blossom sleeves, the fluttering butterfly heels, the Princess Starfrost corset, the kitchen accident knife, the New Year's party hat, the spring horns, and the summer fantasy veil and this air mask thingy. Then I traded 500 for the Nom Nom frosted donut arm fruities. Okay, now it's time for my dream items. Okay, so this is my dream number one. It's the parasol, the 2020 elegant parasol. Okay, so I traded the OG price, which is 60k for these, and the fluttering butterfly heels. Okay, so this trade was so hard to get. I met this girl once and she was just like, I got offered 100k for it. I was like, okay, I know that she was trying to get the most out of me, but I was like, I'm not getting scammed. So I think this is like a pretty fair trade. I gave her the OG price, and because the parasol is in demand and people are trading a lot for them, so I gave her these heels. Okay, so I also had another offer in the past. It was the Shadow Empress heels, but then I switched it to 60,000 diamond. No, okay, it was the 40,000 diamonds. No, okay, just forget that. So I gave her 60,000 diamonds because I've seen people trade 90 and 80k or 100k for this, and I'm really surprised because of that. So I think I got a really good trade. And I was so excited. I couldn't believe that I finally got it. I was like, oh my god. So rather than adding like a lot of small accessory, I did like a big one. What am I saying? I meant like an accessory like that is worth something, like the heels, and the girl was just like, yeah, I'll do it because she really liked the heels. So yeah, then this is the second item. This is the angel halo. I traded 8k for the angel halo, and this is such a nice trade, I feel like I did. And yeah, I don't know why many people said this is not a halo, and I have proof that it is a halo. It's like a real halo. I'll show it to you guys. The angel halo is a real halo, but it's not as rare as any other halos. Like any other halos are worth like, pretty much every halo is worth like more than 300k. Yeah, it's more than that, but this is like the not worth that much, but still a halo. Okay, now I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to show you guys how so you guys can see that I'm at the diamond beach now, and this realm is so beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I changed the color of my outfit because in lighter colors I think you guys will be able to see the items better, if that makes any sense. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, and now I'm going to show you guys the items. Okay, so let me just oh, I found it. Okay, this is so pretty. Let me change this to this light because what's happening? Why isn't the color changing? Okay guys, so this is the item. Okay, let me just zoom in a little. This is so freaking pretty. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty, and I love the colors on it. Oops, sorry, that's too much. I feel like this goes perfect with the new set, except the heels. I don't like them that much. I mean, the heels are really pretty, but they're too expensive. Okay, yeah. The parasol is so pretty. Can you guys look at the details, like the, I don't know what you call it, the print, the threads, I don't know what you can call it, but the details are so pretty. Like, look at it. And I feel like it completes literally like any outfit. It just completes it. Okay, now it's time for the halo. And as I was saying, I'm going to prove that it's the real halo, the angel halo. So can you guys see these categories? When you go to halos, the angel halo is there. And the best part about the angel halo is that you can actually make it glow. And I'm going what happened? I don't know what happened right now. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys a little hack. So what you do is you go to the 600 color skin tones palette, and can you guys see this color which is like surrounded by this red type of line? This color in the greens, it's like it has a little red line over it. You do that, and you guys can see that it glows. And give a close up. And then the best part is what you're supposed to do is then you go to the item again, and then you go to the infinite custom palette. Then you know. Okay, so what I did was I saved that color, so whenever I text this, it's that. Then what you do is you go with like a lighter blue, go like that, but make sure to not do it too light because otherwise it's gonna look white like this. So I'm gonna go with like, okay, that's okay. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. Okay, do I have to remove the pencil for this? I don't want to, but that is fine. I will, okay. Now let's look at the halo. This halo is so pretty, like, oh my god. And you guys might be like, why did I choose this halo over any other halo? And the reason is I'm too broke to afford like any other rare halo. So yeah. No, this is so pretty and looks so good when it glows. I love the colors on it. I don't know what this, but this looks so pretty. Yeah, I love it so much. And let me show you guys how it looks like with the glow and without the glow. Okay, let me just change it to white. And this color is the blue, right? Why do so many? Okay, so this is how it looks without the glow, and I feel like it doesn't look that nice. But with when it's glowing, it looks super pretty. You know what I mean, right? Okay, so as I said before, I saved the color, so now it's really easy to, you know, change it to color you like. Okay, now it's okay. Now let me put the parasol again. Give me a second. Now, since I got the parasol, I'm using the parasol in pretty much every single outfit, and I love it so much. Okay, so well guys, this was for video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. I'll make sure not to overpay for these items. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.